Hey man, so just a reminder, this kit is 100% royalty free, and this kit is free. It consists of 20 melodies. And just to get back to the community, I decided to do a flip loop contest. Now for this flip loop contest, all you gotta do is make a 5 crazy beat battle beat. We're gonna have 3 surprise guest judges. Make sure the beat is, quick and fast, and just get straight to the point. If you can make a beat by Wednesday, December 15th, that's the submission deadline. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna have my guys grade all the submissions, and then we're gonna pick the top 50 best beats, the top 50 best submissions, play them Saturday, December 17th with the 3 surprise guest judges. What I'm gonna do is first place winner is gonna get the Slate Digital VSX audio headphones. You're also gonna get a Focusrite interface, a new BeatMaker hoodie that we're releasing out this month. And then on top of that, second, third, and fourth place is gonna get $100 PG gift cards, man. So just something to give back to y'all. Y'all have fun with this kit. I'll see y'all later.